Hi volunteers, the tutorial today that we're going to go through is going to show you how to utilize the My Impact application, which is the volunteer portal, but for your mobile phone. We're going to look at how to utilize it to sign up for volunteer shifts on your phone. So first thing you're going to want to do after downloading the application is find it on your home screen. I'm going to go ahead and select the application to open it here. And I'm already logged in. Normally it'll prompt you to log in, but since I'm already logged in, this is what the home page looks like. In the upper left-hand corner, you're going to want to select Menu. And from here, you can see all of the tabs for which you can utilize those. We're going to be looking today at the Opportunities and the Schedule tab, but first, let's go ahead and select Opportunities tab. And that's going to open this new page. If you're a member of multiple sites or organizations, you'll have multiple sites or organizations available to look through. Today, we're going to look at volunteer opportunities with Corvallis Community Center. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that middle button to open this new page with the listing of volunteer opportunities. Now, there's this bar at the top where you can search by day if you want to look by each particular day. And then there's also this bar here that is a drop-down menu allowing you to filter activities. Now, I do recommend always selecting this button at the top that says only include activities that I am qualified for. To do that, you're going to just click that open box over on the left-hand side and you should see a check mark appear. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see this black bar that says filter. Make sure you click on that, and that's now going to filter those activities by those for which you are qualified. Now, to sign up for an opportunity, you go ahead and select the opportunity itself. So I'm going to actually sign us up for Newsletter Assembly Team today. And that's going to open a new page which has at the top the description of the activity. If you scroll down, you're going to see each shift, and that shift is going to include the date, the start and end time, and how many openings, as in volunteer openings, there are available for that shift. Now, to sign up for that, you're going to go ahead and just click again on that little empty box on the left-hand side of your page. A check mark should appear. So I went ahead and did that here for Wednesday, April 27th. And now down here at the bottom, there's a large black bar that says sign up for selected. I'm going to click that to sign up. You'll see a pop-up that comes up that says, thank you for signing up. You've successfully signed up and you have been automatically assigned. Please confirm your new assignments on your schedule. So to get out of this little pop-up, you have to click that X up here on the right-hand side. And it did say that I need to confirm this. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to that menu, which is that little circle with the 3 white bars up on the left-hand side of my screen. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to look for the tab that says Schedule. Go ahead and click on that. And that's going to open your schedule. You'll see this little yellow box that pops up if an assignment needs to be confirmed still. And now to confirm that assignment, you're just going to, from your schedule, click on the opportunity for which you signed up. And it's going to open this page. At the top, you'll see an option to either confirm or decline that shift. And remember, we just used this option to fully confirm if you're going to attend a volunteer shift. You can always just sign up for something and then wait to confirm it until you're closer to the date, but we really do ask that you either confirm or decline so we know whether or not we can expect you to attend that shift. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And now we have this little opportunity that's here on our schedule. You'll see there's also this black bar that allows you to add it to your calendar on your mobile phone. So if you want to add the opportunity to your calendar, you can do that. And if you needed to remove the opportunity, there's that bar now as well. So again, if you want to look for opportunities, you're going to use the Opportunities tab. And then if you need to view your schedule and or remove any shifts from your schedule, you're going to click that Schedule tab, select the assigned shift for which you're trying to, either confirm, deny, whatever. And from here, I'm actually going to remove this assignment since it was just for practice. It's going to say, are you sure you want to decline this assignment? And you're going to say, click decline. And now my schedule's empty. And that is how you search for opportunities and sign up for opportunities on the mobile application for My Impact.